Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is all about the Quickbooks. We will discuss its pros, cons, feature and everything about it. If you're a small business owner, freelancer or accountant, you have probably heard of Quickbooks. In today's era of AI, it's still one of the most popular accounting software tools out there. QuickBook comes with a powerful set of tools to manage your business finances. You can easily create professional invoices and accept payments online. You can link your bank accounts and automatically categorize transactions. You can run payroll, handle tax filings, and manage employee payments. It is like get real time insights into your income, profit and loss and cash flows. You can prepare for tax season with tools that track deductions and generate tax reports. Whether you're a freelancer or running a small to medium business, QuickBooks scales with your needs. QuickBooks comes with four subscription plans: the Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. You can just simply check out their prices and benefits included into it. So, based on your preferences and need, you can go with a plan. If we talk about its pros, so it has clean design that easy to navigate even if you're not an accountant. You can access your books from anywhere via the web or the mobile app. You can work seamlessly with Shopify, PayPal, Square, and many more apps. QuickBooks has live chat, phone support, and a big help community. And it offers automatic transaction signings and recurring invoices and smart categorizations that can save hours every week. If you're looking for powerful all-in-one accounting software that grows with your business, yes, it's a solid choice. Just be prepared for the subscription cost and take some time to learn the platform. So that was all about the QuickBooks. If you find this video helpful and informative, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.